This is Barry Kavanagh, account manager here at Axiom Equipment. Today we're presenting the MT1000 Megatank, which is a fuel tank specifically used for transporting and storing fuel on sites. Some of the key features of this unit are we have three different models. We have the MT1000, which is 1,000 liters, MT2000, 2,000 liters, MT3000, which is 3,000 liters. Those are our three models. But with this model here, we have forklift pockets at the bottom here, as you can see, all the way around. We have lift bales at the top in each corner. We also have a locking cabinet, which is very important. Fuel theft becoming a bigger issue on site these days. Having the ability to lock the cabinet has become very important. With this unit, as I mentioned, we have multiple ports for connecting to the to light towers, generators, and other equipment. We also have the ability to put pumps on to use as a fuel system on site for refueling other pieces of equipment. Once again, my name is Barry with Axiom. Thank you very much for watching this video on the MT Series Megatank fuel tanks from Axiom Equipment. I hope this video was informative. Thank you very much.